Hello everyone, welcome to another video of tool and gear review. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do a cheap do-it-yourself jig rest for your air rifle. As you all know, in order to shoot accurately, we have to properly rest our jig on the rifle stock and let it rest comfortably. But as you can see, the problem with attaching a scope and a zero recoil mount in your air rifle is that it raises the scope higher. And now I am only able to rest my chin on the rifle stock instead of my cheek. So here is a simple solution which you can do. So here I have got this foam sheet. You can cut and fold into a shape like this. Also here I have a self-adhesive camo wrap bandage. So now you can take the bandage and firstly wrap on the stock 2 to 3 times. And next you can place the foam sheet on the stock, adjust it and wrap like this with the bandage. So here we have our jig rest. This will somehow do the job, and now you can rest your jig properly, and now you can shoot with comfort. If you like this video, then please subscribe, like and comment for more videos.